You've got a Gratin. It's time for Gratin. Fennel Gratin. Fennel Gratin. Fennel is not a word. Oh, gratin, as they say in America, which is a great accompaniment to any dish you might be serving. Your goose, your this, your that, your filet, your fish. Fish, very good with the fennel. So here we have some organic fennel. It's quite small, which is good. And I'm gonna cut it into attractive pieces. I think I'm gonna do rounds. Now, when you cut fennel, the center on the bottom is quite hard. So you don't want that piece. But all these pieces are good. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna use a little bit of the stems, comme ça, and I kept a little bit of the fronds. All right, now we're gonna gratin this exactly how we gratined the potatoes all those years ago, and really how you gratin anything. First thing I'm gonna do in my lightly greased tray with my jaunty hat, I'm gonna line the bottom with some shallots. La, 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 shallots. All right, I'm gonna make a little layer. I'm not doing it very carefully. I'm doing it sort of rustic on the bottom of this, comme ça. And I'm gonna use a little bit of pink peppercorns. Lynn always likes me to say, pink peppercorns are the fruit of a tree, not, what is it, not a spice? Get the cream. Cream is essential for gratinizing. I'm using some very good pre-made breadcrumbs from Italy. You can make your own breadcrumbs. I usually do. But I had this, so I thought, why not use it? Second layer. Second layer of fennel. Boom, bada boom. Second layer of fennel gratin. You better have your hat on if you're going to make a gratin. A little bit of stock in case we need the liquid. Okay. Un peu de stock. Voila. Breadcrumbs. Salt and peps. La 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 la. Gratin, boom boom, la 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 la. Fennel gratin, you better make it with your hat on. Promise me you will. Please post pictures of making your gratins with your hats on. Okay, a little bit more of this. Now I'm gonna end it with some fronds, because I think that looks beautiful. Don't you think it looks really lovely? When I put this in the oven, I'm gonna kind of look at it to make sure it doesn't need more liquid, which I highly doubt. I was gonna put some butter, but I don't think it needs it. It's basically gonna cook in this delightful flavoring of breadcrumbs and pepper, and I'm gonna put some pink peppercorns on top, just to make it extra festive. Now it's Christmas colors even, which is amazing. These feel very hard, but they'll soften. How beautiful is that? My God. And this will cook, it'll soften the fennel, and it'll just make a sort of a very decadent side. Perfect with fish, especially if the fish is quite simply cooked, grilled or something, for your 7 fishes, or if you're just having 1 fish on Christmas Eve. So this is the amount of liquid. Check it, the cream will reduce and boil down. If it needs liquid, you can put a little vermouth, stock, cream, whatever you need. Okay, so let's put this in the oven. Here we go. This is a 400 oven, give or take a degree. And just look at it. It'll bubble up, it'll brown a little bit. Just keep an eye on it. You could broil it a little bit at the end if you choose, but it shouldn't take more than half an hour, I would say. Fennel gratin, put it on your menu. People like it. You can also make leek gratin, onion gratin, potato gratin. You could make anything this way. Try it out. Oh, gratin. A good general was Patton. Okay, let's take out the gratin. Look at that. If that isn't Christmassy, what the H is. What a nice addition to any meal. I mean, it smells incredible. It's rich, but you know what? It's holiday. Gratin something. You won't be regretting it.